But then India is a big country, we have great population, huge population and poor. So it is not easy for a government also to cater to this bigger population, to build hospitals, to build infrastructure. And with the help of private hospitals, let me tell you, India as a country, we still don't have enough number of doctors. By no yardstick, we have enough number of doctors, we don't have enough number of lawyers, we don't have enough number of engineers, just because we are a big population, nothing negative about it. So now, essentially, we have to move towards an insured society, we have to move towards a pensioned society, otherwise we cannot secure our people's life and their family afterwards. If there is some critical illness which hits one family member, and we are a very well-knit society. It's not like, we don't care if somebody gets some critical illness in our family. We do care. So whatever you have, you sell, you pledge, you do whatever, you try to take care of that person's health. So that is essentially why India should move towards insurance. That is essentially why India should start saving and move towards becoming a pension society. We should have insurance. And insurance, there is another issue wherein, if it is a policy where you keep paying premiums and you don't get anything back, or a policy where you keep paying premiums, but this premium will ultimately result in some kind of savings. So now as a woman, I would think that way. Why should I pay premium? Kahan ja raha hai? It won't come back, then, I don't want to pay. But now I really appreciate SBI Life because you have done something very special for women and also linked it with savings. So it's a wonderful enticement, I would say, for women. They will not say no. They'll be like, okay, let us go ahead and do it. Specific insurance, especially we've seen today's times, you don't know when, you hear any kind of news about anybody. A person who was just hale and healthy yesterday is not there the very next day. So the kind of pollution, the kind of food that we are eating, I believe, is leading to all this. So it is all the more necessary to be insured, all the more necessary to very aggressively market this insurance. Why women focus on women? He said, why special focus on women? The simple answer is, women are special. So, focus should be there, more thought should be put into women-friendly policies, more thought should be put into, making sure they come under this net and they do a lot more savings and they, lead happier lives. Because if we are happy, half of the population is happy, you will be happy as well, And there was also this discussion in the parliament the other day. It's like, you are only 50%. I said, no, that's not right. We are 50%, but we take care of the other 50%. So we are 100%. So you better take care of us and you better start thinking about us. So this is what I had to share and talk to all of you.